Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Reverso context app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now. So you just click on settings here. And just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to Clipboard instant translation here. Click in this sign, so then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you're looking for Reversos app, so I'm going to looking for it here. It's going to show for you here Reverso context. Just click on it like this. When enable, you go back, so then you find it here, it's enabled with you like you see now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like